See, you don't need to wait for you to get monetized before you can actually earn on YouTube. You can start selling digital products and promote digital products, either your product or other people's products, and get paid while you're still waiting for YouTube to monetize you and you start earning through AdSense. You don't need any tech skill or any special skill. Like, all you need is your smartphone and internet connection. So I'm going to be talking about Promptearn, an amazing affiliate platform that I partner with. Promptearn is a legit affiliate marketing platform that is changing the life of a lot of creators today. I will show you exactly how to join, pick winning products to promote, and start earning reliably. Stay with me to the end if you want my bonus strategy on how to get paid every Sunday. Promptearn is an online affiliate marketing place. Connect creators, vendors, and marketers globally. As an affiliate, you get access to high-selling digital and physical products, and you can earn up to 75% commission per sale. Promptearn is based in Nigeria and pays weekly, especially every Sundays. Some people call it their Sunday blessings because that's payday every single week. They are trusted by thousands. They have over 18,000 affiliate marketers and 1.6 million commissions have been paid out so far. I'm going to be telling you why Promptearn stands out among other affiliate programs and why I chose Promptearn. Promptearn is a beginner-friendly platform where anyone can actually start even as a beginner. They have low barriers to entry. Registration costs just 15,000 naira. They have high commissions, up to 75% in commissions. That is so high. Their products have quality vetting. The products listed on their platform have high quality vetting and sell so well, all thanks to vendor screening. Another amazing thing about Promptearn is that they have regular training. They offer in-depth training modules to help you improve your marketing skills. And the best part, reliable weekly payouts. No more waiting for your money because withdrawals happens every Sunday. You ready to get started? Now here's how to join Promptearn. Check the link in the comment section or in the description box. You're going to see a link to get started. Make your payment, fill in the necessary details, and you're going to see an email. They're going to send you an email which you can actually use to log in. And then it will land you to your dashboard where you're going to see a lot of marketplaces and all the courses that are available on the platform. All you need to do is to pick a high converting digital product. Every digital product has a problem it solves. Now, check around. What is the current problem you feel your audience are looking for? Pick a product that solves a problem and sell to people and start advertising it. Promote it on different social media platforms. Run your advert for as low as 2,000 naira and you're going to get sales. Now, here's the strategy to pick winning products that sell easily. Now, choose products with proven demand. Look for tools that can actually help people to make money online and sell to them. Look for products with at least 50 to 75% commissions and markets. Check product ratings or reviews. Only promote those with positive reviews. Be consistent. Only promote products in niches that you understand, like YouTube growth, digital marketing, or mobile apps. Many successful digital marketers talk about how they started small, picked consistent product, and scaled from 0 to 50 to 100k weekly. And this is me just telling you all what I have done that has been helping me to make money from this platform. Now, the next thing is to promote strategically. Promotion makes or breaks your results. Create short testimonial videos. Talk about the product you want to promote and how it works. Ensure you share daily WhatsApp status updates so that people are going to know that you're selling this thing. Do it every day. You can also create free video snippets. Look out for Facebook and Instagram groups on your niche and share your content there. And before you share your products, ensure you offer value. Teach people, give people free tutorials, free class, teach them one or two things consistently, and then sell your products afterwards. Ensure you use strategic information like, are you interested in the link? DM me for the link. This alone builds engagement and warms leads. People are making money from this, and I'm just going to go to my dashboard. So I'm going to go to my dashboard now and show you my progress so far on Promptearn. So you can see this is how it appears. Each time you make a sale, you're going to see an email like this. So this is the current product I'm promoting on Promptearn right now. Anyone that buys this product will have access to the marketplace where they're going to see a lot of digital products they are going to buy. This is like the hot selling product right now on Promptearn. So if you want to market this product, which is the AIM course, all you need to do is to copy your link and promote, asking people if they actually want to make money online. Promoting for Promptearn, selling digital products and get paid, they can actually get the AIM course from you. So I'm just going to visit my dashboard right now. So this is the Promptearn platform. I'm just going to log in now. So I'm currently logged in now. You can see overall affiliate earnings 260.6437 sales. Okay, I've made up to 260,037 sales. And then I still currently have money there, and this is the marketplace. You can see all the courses that are available there. Yes, these are all the courses that are available there. So every platform has its downside, and Promptearn is not exempted. We're talking about the risk in selling digital products and how you can actually avoid them. Some products may not convert. You may not be able to sell some products. So don't just promote randomly. Stick to only products that you see that has enough reviews. You know that people are really selling very well. If you follow Google Trends and adverts on Facebook, you will see that a lot of people are talking about a particular product. Hop into that product and promote the same product. That's to tell you that people are really searching for such products. Number 2 risk is competition. Many affiliates may promote the same products. That is why you need to stand out by providing real value so they will choose to buy from you. Number 3 is risk message, no sales. Ensure you use clear benefit-driven copy and sharing strategy. You can actually avoid all this risk by choosing the right and hot selling products and promoting them strategically. Offer value to people before you sell to them and give value. And always be consistent. Show up at your duty post. Always create content. Always show yourself. Always bring yourself out there and be consistent. That is how you win. So if you're passionate about content creation and digital marketing, Promptearn can actually help you earn passive income. You can actually earn with Promptearn while helping people prefer value. It only takes 5 minutes to set up. Literally register, pick a hot selling product and start promoting, just like I am doing right now. I've literally promoted Promptearn to you. You can do the same. And yes, you get paid every Sunday. Are you ready to start earning? Check the link in the description box or in the comment section of this video or in my bio and sign up via my special unique link. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to see your first Promptearn sales rolling in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you're going to get notified. Okay, bye.